In this video, we will learn what resistors are used for and how they are used. We will cover everything you need to know. This video is going to be very interesting, so let's get started. What is a resistor? A resistor is an electrical component used in electronic circuits to limit or control the flow of current. It is one of the major components used in electronics. No circuit can be complete without a resistor. Resistors are highlighted using two symbols. One symbol is a zigzag line, and the other is a rectangle or box. You can see these symbols on PCBs and circuit designs. Why are resistors used? Resistors are necessary in circuits for many reasons, but in this video, we will focus on just two reasons. 1. Limiting or controlling current. 2. Dividing or controlling voltage. Now, we will try to understand both methods with practical examples. 1. Limiting or controlling current. Limiting or controlling current means providing the exact amount of current needed for a device or component. For this practical demonstration, we will need some components like 2 liters ED, a 150 ohm resistor, and a 5-volt DC power supply. Let's start our first practical demonstration. We will power this LED with a 5-volt power supply. Let's see what happens when we connect the LED to the 5-volt power supply. As you can see, this LED, which was working, is now not working because it has fused, meaning it is damaged. Now we will connect another similar LED light to the power supply, but this time we will not connect the LED directly to the 5-volt power supply. Instead, we will use a resistor in between. Now, as you can see, the LED light is working properly and is not fused or damaged because the resistor provided the exact amount of current needed for the LED. This is why the LED did not get damaged. 2. Dividing or controlling voltage. Dividing or controlling voltage means providing the exact amount of voltage needed for a device or component. For this practical demonstration, we will need some components and equipment like a 5-volt DC power supply, some resistors, and a multimeter to check the voltage. Let's start our second practical demonstration. This is a 5-volt power supply. We will check it with a multimeter, and its actual output voltage is displayed. Now, if we want to convert this 5-volt to 3-volt, we will see how we can use resistors. We have opened a website, and we will provide the link in the description, where you can calculate how to divide the voltage using a specific resistor. Let's do it. This website is open, and we will see an ideal circuit diagram showing how to connect resistors for voltage division. There is a calculator below, which we can use to calculate how many ohms of resistor are needed to divide 5-volt to 3-volt. Let's calculate. Our input voltage is 5-volt, and we need an output voltage of 3-volt. We will try different ohm values to see how many ohms of resistor we need to get the desired voltage. We got our calculation. Now, we will use the resistor according to this calculation to build a circuit and see if the 5-volt is really converted to 3-volt. This circuit is ready. The output voltage is coming from the DC power supply. The resistors are connected, and the end point is the DC output voltage. As you can see, It is approximately 3 volt after being divided from 5 volt DC. We hope you liked this video. For more informative videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.